Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here. Just going to show you a little video on today's install. Going to keep it nice and tight and short because the customer's got to get off. So this is the Ranger one for the TZG series, which comes with 1230X on the end. So that's the main homepage there. It's got everything that the old system's got, but it's been updated to Android 11. It's got the new Snapdragon processor in there, which the old one was the PX6. So obviously you can just see a lot of the applications on there. We've connected the internet today, so obviously there's your Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So I'll put a longer video up shortly. Just bear with us, and you'll see a new video up soon. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.